this is how we chat for mass communication. Here I'm again with another unboxing. You can see I have a shoe box in front of me. So I have a sneaker for you guys, budget sneaker from Shein. The box is quite normal, nothing special, some Chinese writing here and there. Let me go for unboxing directly. Here we go. We have very simple looking sneaker. You guys can see here, very cheap budget looking sneaker. Price could be 12 to 20 euro or 12 to 20 dollar where you are. But look at this very simple light version for girls. In this case, the material is quite good. You can stitch if you want. The sole is quite light, quite durable. I can feel this. Look at the quality. The very high quality. Look at the plastic and rubber together, not plasticky cheap. You can feel something at Adidas and Nike as well, but in very budget price. You have less here as well for fashion in this case. But look at this. Look at here. Very good stitching or connected with glue something. The budget, that is most important and cheaper. Let's see for the other one. Here we go. It's a similar. Here you see if you have a jeans or pant, it will not go down totally. The size is right in 41. Very beautiful, elegant, but cheap in price. The color is very flashy, yellow color with white combination. It look good for walking, for jogging midday in summer day, because they're very light. If you sweat, you will not feel that much hot obviously with this. Look at the sole from the bottom. I have many video review as this. If you want, check those at the video description. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye.